Good morning, guys. So, good morning, good morning, good morning. So, today is Saturday? Oh no. So, today is Sunday. And I just woke up, guys. Kakagising ko lang talaga. So, now, pagtingin ko sa bintana, oh my God. Puro naman tayo puti, guys. Look at that. Look at this. Oh no. So, ayan, guys. Snow na naman. Sobrang lakas ng snow kagabi. Tara, dito tayo sa labas. And I have my coffee. Ayan, umusok-usok pa. So, yan. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, no. Yes. This is it again. Snow Wonderland. Coffee. Yeah. Labas tayo. So, ayan, guys. Today is December 18. Yes, December 18. And look. Look. Hey. Yeah. Oh my God. Naka-robe ako. Lumabas lang talaga ako kasi ayan na naman siya. So struggle na naman tayo pagpasok neto. Buti na lang wala akong pasok ngayong Sunday. So off ko today, guys. And ayan, pahinga. Kasi nga birthday ko last 2 days ago. So nag-request off ako. And ayun, pahinga muna tayo. And yeah, let's have coffee. So, ayun na nga, guys. Grabe, lumabas na ako. Ang lakas ng snow pa rin. So, ayan, update lang. And ito ang aking Christmas tree. So, today, this year, ang ginawa ko is red and white. So, yan ang ating Christmas tree for this year. Ito ang aking Christmas tree this year, guys. So, ayan. Kasi last year, all white lang talaga siya. And now, I decided to add a little bit color in it. So, I decided to put red and white ribbon in there. So, yeah. This is my Christmas tree, guys. Look at that. And I'm happy for this because ito yung this is my second time to use this Christmas tree. And I guess I'm planning next year that I wanted to change for the other one, which is the branch has like a white thing, stuff like that. But we'll see. So yeah. And I'm happy for my tree though. So I'll show you. Tree. Oh my God, my face talaga. Grabe, pasensya na and kakagising ko lang. So, this is my look today. And my hair is very curly na talaga. So, ewan ko, parang gusto ko talagang pagupitan yan. Anyway, so yes. Yes, it's so nice. And then I put this ribbon in it. And it's so nice in there. And yeah, so far, I like my tree. And kasi last year, sabi ng mom ko, why is it all white? There's nothing in there. So like, just add a little bit more color in it. And it's nice to look. I'm excited for Christmas. So, yun. Tara, labas tayo ulit. Kasi, yun na nga, nag-snow. So, kuhaan natin yung snow outside. So, let's go out. So, nilinis nung may-ari itong dito kasi pinag-aanuhan siya, guys. Dinadaanan siya ng sasakyan. So, pinagpa-parkan. So, yeah. Dito tayo sa labas. Ayan. Eto na naman tayo. White. Maputi na naman ang ating kapaligiran today. Today is Sunday, December 18. And it's 2:30 p.m. here, guys. So, maputi na naman ang ating kapaligiran today. So, yeah. Struggle na naman to tomorrow. Buti na lang off ko today, kaya sa bahay lang. And, ayun. Yeah. Ooh. Ayan, guys. Gusto ko sanang mamalengke. Kasi unang oras na, ayokong pumunta dun sa napakalayo. Paglalakad ako ng ganito. Ang layo niya, guys. So, yun. Yeah. This is Vancouver. There you go. I don't know what time yung snow kanina. Siguro mga morning or madaling araw. Oh my God. Yes. At naka-slippers lang talaga ako, literal. Yeah. So, hindi na tayo, guys, lalayo. Kasi, nilalamig na ako. And I'm not ready. So, dito na lang muna siguro tayo. And I want to make some lunch. Gutom na ako. And I'll make some lunch, guys. Yeah. This is Vancouver.